Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, the theme is glitter, so it wasn't necessarily any assigned design to be stamped on our nails, but we do have to use some kind of glitter in our manicures. I decided to go with this cute nail polish from Moonshine Mani. I hope you will enjoy the nail art tutorial. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here or coming from the other channels, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then please also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will link for you all the videos that were created for this collab in the description box, and I will also note everything there that I can for you, and of course all the pictures will be at the end of my video, so definitely stay tuned until the end. As you can probably tell, I switched out my camera again, so I decided to just go back to my old one. I did not really like the other camera, so hopefully the quality of my videos is back where it used to be. I just really did not like the way how blurry some of my footage was using the other camera, so I don't want to keep this intro too long, so I do hope that you will enjoy my nail art tutorial portion, so continue watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can feel my thing. I can feel my losing track of time, losing track of myself. I can make promises to get into your head. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, I just wanna see you on my, I just wanna see you. I can feel my thing. I can feel my thing. I can feel my go from here. No one can save us from keeping clear.